Kakadosh Boker Or, we're just continuing with the halachot. I wanted to speak for 2 minutes about Purim Katan. Today is Purim Katan, which is Yod Daled of Adar Aleph, and then tomorrow is going to be Shushan Purim Katan, which is going to be Tetvav. We know that when it's going to be Yod Daled and Tetvav of the first month, obviously we do not read the Megillah, and if a person made the mistake and they would actually read the Megillah on today or tomorrow if it was going to be for the Tetvav, so therefore they would have to read it again and the next month. However, though it is a day of Simcha, and therefore we do not do Tacharunim, that's why we do not say Tacharunim today, tomorrow as well, even during the time of Mincha, we're not going to say Tzidkatecha, because again, we do not do Tacharunim today and tomorrow. And there is an inyan also brought down in the Ramah, Le'arbot Ktsat B'Seuda B'Purim Katan, which means the Ramah brings down in Siman Tafresh Tzadik Zayin in Ilchot Purim, who's talking about that there is an inyan to have a little bit more during the Seuda. However, though, even though we just learned, just like by a regular Purim, we do not have the Seuda at nighttime, so last night was not an inyan to come and to start having more of a Seuda, but rather it's today. So today there is an inyan to have a little bit more of a Seuda. Rav Chaim Kanievsky, which we know, he actually passed away on the Tetvav of the Adar Aleph, because it was a leap year, and he usually used to finish all of the entire Torah. He used to finish it on Erev Pesach. On the leap year, he finished it on Purim, and therefore he passed away the next day when he actually finished everything that he actually learned. So he did the Siyum of Kol HaTorah Kula that he always used to learn, and then afterwards he actually passed away. So they asked him, what is the kavanah of the Ramah when the Ramah says that you're supposed to be having a little bit more of a Seudah? So he comes and he says it means that you should drink a little bit of wine. And that's exactly what he used to do, take a little bit of wine. He says, Lav davka tzmamash the Seudah, take a little bit of wine, and that's why you're going to be Yitzhak Chuvah by having a little bit of a joyous occasion. I will finish off though that it's very interesting that he actually did bring down Rav Chaim Kanievsky that today, since it's Purim Katan, there's an inyan to pray for one bakasha. And if we're going to come and pray for one thing, and we're going to pray for it very, very strongly, so therefore HaKadosh Baruch Hu, just like on Purim, he did the many miracles, so too now there is, even though it's going to be Adar Aleph, but there's a special aura of a Kiddusha of HaKadosh Baruch Hu answering our tefillot and doing miracles for us, and therefore he will also answer our tefillot if we're going to pray for one thing on Purim. So therefore today we should try to focus on one thing that we should ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and Bezrat Hashem, hopefully he'll grant our wishes, Bezrat Hashem. Amen.